balik lagi sama gue. Kalau lo mau tahu tentang aktivitas gue sehari-hari sebelum kerja, bentar lagi kita bakalan ngikutin gimana kerjaan gue tiap hari. So check this out untuk video hari ini. Bye bye. This one is seef Mall. Now we're going to Bateaux Dubai. So it's look like that. This is a Bateaux Dubai. Enjoy your experience. Yes, balik lagi. Jadi ini aktivitas gue sehari-hari. Gue kerja di Bateaux Dubai. So, I mean, Bateaux Dubai has a 4-course menu. You can enjoy here with us with the different experience, which is we have floating restaurant. So after this one, I will be tell you one things that every single place in Bateaux Dubai, so you can enjoy in Bateaux Dubai. So check this out and always follow our YouTube channel. So you can subscribe and you can comment, so you can asking something, so you can request something which is we can go through to the other area in Dubai. Bye. So check this out guys. Yeah, bye. This is our captain. Say hi, captain. Ini tempat kerjanya captain. So this is upper deck. You can enjoy every single visit. Sometimes the people in the night take picture with a beautiful decoration. So this is the upper deck of Bateaux Dubai. Check this out guys, how is the beautiful place. Going to upper deck. So this day like 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock we're still doing preparation for our dinner service. Drawings. Okay, this is the bar. Hello.
Hi.
This is Sigmund. So Sigmund, what do you have here in the bar?
Hi,
Just
Chef.
tell me.
Good afternoon.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nepal. Chef, today I have special mocktail, cucumber mocktail, bitter mocktail.
Okay. What's the ingredients there?
Yes, fresh cucumber, fresh lime, fresh mint, crush ice, top of soda. This is very refreshing mocktail today, special chef.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, chef.
Going to the service stuff. Yes, in the table. So this is the table. They still doing the preparation for dinner. So let them do like this. Okay. Table. This. Safety net. We have the pianist on board. So the ambience will be more romantic. Okay. Just a few guys. Yeah, the chef is still doing preparation tonight for tonight. Good. How are you guys? We're going to kitchen area. Yeah. We're still doing the preparation. This is Samita from Sri Lanka. How are you, Samita? Very good. For the Bateaux Dubai. Yes, Ramesh, how are you, Ramesh?
Oh, fine, thank you.
So they're still doing the preparation for tonight. What's your name?
Muhammad Jawahir.
Muhammad Jawahir. This is my senior chef of party. So what your preparation, butchery every day? Just let me know.
Beef tenderloin, lamb,
Alright.
duck, chicken,
Chicken. So what else?
lobster.
Lobster and toothpaste. Now we have the whole kitchen. This moment and safe.
Hi, chef.
Okay. So moment, how are you?
Fine.
So what's your preparation here?
Avocado.
Avocado. For what is avocado?
We have group all prawns. Avocado prawns.
So what is the recipe for the avocado inside?
Avocado, mint leaves, parsley,
Okay.
coriander,
Alright.
salt, pepper, little sugar.
So
lemon
how you
juice.
keep the avocado still nice green or something?
We're using acid powder.
acid powder and lemon. Alright. So this is a steak.
Hi, chef. How are you?
So what do you prepare to steak?
I'm preparing canapé.
How many packs tonight?
It's 69.
69. Okay. So
I made 70 canapés.
okay. What the canapé for today? What you have
Canapés,
this one?
toasted rice with the parmesan.
Okay.
Second one, cucumber with cheese, mozzarella cheese.
And then the other one and one more.
One more, I make ratatouille vegetable with puff paste.
Where's Sujit? Where's Sujit? Hi. This is Suresh. So this guy job description is steward, but still you want to learn in the kitchen, right? So you know how to make something, Suresh, in the kitchen. You know how to make soup. What is that? What is that? What is that? What is the name of this one? This guy handling the pastry production in Bateaux Dubai. So, which menu which is difficult for you? Tell me. Which menu? Tell me the truth. Nothing. So the things. Which one the favorite menu for you? Which one? Christmas menu. So a bit difficult, yeah. But you have to letting same like that. Okay. Same like. Bye-bye. Welcome back to us. Now we are in the bar of Bateaux Dubai. So this is Mr. Sigman. This is our bartender of Bateaux Dubai. So he will show you guys what he make for today. So how many will we make?
Yes, today I'll make the gin berry classic cocktail.
Okay, gin berry classic cocktails and one more.
One more is iced coffee.
So gin berry cocktail cocktail and
Iced coffee.
iced coffee. So check this out, this video. He will make it for you guys. Push.
Okay, I'm going to make a gin berry cocktail, and I have a London dry gin, the unsweetened classic gin like beefeater gin, and another one I have mixing with the premium raspberry puree and fresh lambs. I have aperitivo This one is from Germany. This nice, refreshing aperitivo. Okay, now I'll show you cocktail. 45 ml London dry gin, beefeater. And 35 ml raspberry puree. And fresh squeezed lime juice. Some very nice ice cube. I'm going to serve margarita glasses. I have cold margarita glasses. And top up around 60 ml sparkling aperitivo and for garnish fresh lime. This is very refreshing aperitivo cocktail. Please enjoy. Okay, today I'll show you how to make the nice iced coffee with a layer. Okay, I'm going to put 1 shot of espresso and ice cube, fresh milk and simple syrup and 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Then I'll show you some ice cube, some long glasses. Then fill up the milk. And around 15 ml simple sugar. Again mixing with this one, sugar and milk ice. And a little more ice. 1 shot of vanilla ice cream. This is a 1 shot of fresh blended espresso coffee. Okay. This is a layer perfect iced coffee.
So as you see guys, yeah, so this is the first one, what they have, the gin,
Berry
beetroot and cocktails. So what is the composition before?
This one is beefeater gin, lemon dry gin, and fresh squeezed lime juice, and raspberry puree, and top of sparkling everything.
So if you can see the color also nice, the red color, but we taste first, how is it? Wow, so inside this freshness, sourness also is there. So all the things, the sweetness, balancing for everything. So if you want to try this one, just coming to Bateaux Dubai, and then Mr. Sigman as a bartender will make you guys. So this is the second one, coffee. When you see the coffee, oh my goodness, I mean like there's ice cream also inside. The bitterness, the sweetness also will be there, and then the milk also is there. I know who the one like the coffee, how to try the coffee, but you have to try this coffee in the Bateaux Dubai, so you can get all the freshness of the coffee with the white vanilla ice cream, isn't it? So we'll try this one. Oh, very nice coffee. So guys, don't miss it, this one. If if you want, just come to Bateaux Dubai. We make you enjoy with all the beverage and the food, and then we make sure we will be not forget everything about the experience. So check this out. This is a Sigman bartender in Bateaux Dubai.
This is our chef.
Sometimes the operation a little bit busy, but today we busy as well. So the operation little bit, we have to manage the service 2.5 hours. If we have like 50 guests, or we have like 10 guests, or we have like 200 guests on board, we still have to finish 2.5 hours, which is from 8:30 to 11. So we have to focus every single times. We have to focus every single minute and hours, so make everything will be fine and smooth. Thank you very much. So check this out for the dinner service for main course. Ciao.
One lamb and two beef medium, one beef medium well. Total, how many minutes, sir? 1 second. I want to be a beef medium rare, two beef medium rare. Sorry, one beef medium rare, one lamb medium rare.
Kitchen side. This is the place which is send you first dish. We call starter dish. We have starter dish, we have main course, and we have the dessert. So today moment we'll be plating for the salmon starter. What is that?
smoked salmon.
Alright. And what is the ingredients inside the sauce salmon?
Our smoked salmon made by smoked salmon.
Alright.
With some fresh cream.
Alright.
Mixed it with coriander, bay leaves, lemon.
Alright, so for the details, we can see how this gets plating for the salmon. So check this out. 3.
Here we go. We will start with wasabi mayo. After our wasabi mayo, we have the main protein for our dish. It's made by salmon, having dill leaves, coriander leaves, mint leaves, parsley leaves. After this, some of fresh asparagus. We have here also some crab salad. We have here dekora. It's salmon egg. We have fine julienne of red radish, fine julienne of cucumber, and green apple. Some flowers for garnish. Now our dish is ready. Bon appetit.
Alright, so what is this?
This is Scotch salmon.
The next dish will be what? Paneer tikka. So Chef Seef will be show you guys how to plating our dish, which is this is the first time in Bateaux Dubai. We have cuisine, which is paneer tikka cuisine. So Seef will be plating for you the paneer tikka salad. Bye. What is it?
This paneer tikka.
Alright, now we are with Rajib, for the one working in a hot kitchen. So he will be prepared for you guys the main course for the New Year Eve main course. So if you guys have the time to coming to Bateaux Dubai, enjoy with our main course, just coming for the New Year Eve. So Rajib will be plating for you guys for the main course. What is the dish today? We have like sirloin black mountain. So enjoy. Alright, so this is the plating of the sirloin. Rajib will be plating for you guys. So this one is the potato cake. We're batting with the fries. Alright. Make potato. Yes. So this one is reasonable. What the sauce this one? Najib?
It's truffle sauce.
Oh, alright. So the texture of the sauce we have to maintain. And we have to make sure all the sauce is alright. So please enjoy our
Coming with this guy from Nepal. So this guy was in the hospital almost 9 years now. 2 years, alright. 2 years, first one in the starter, in the hot kitchen, now in the hot kitchen. So this guy will be tell you how to blend the lamb flavors which is we have in the main course. So if you enjoy, if you want to enjoy with the lamb flavors, coming to Bateaux Dubai, then enjoy the lamb flavors. Check this out, that's fun.
I will start now with the lamb puree plating.
Okay.
First of all, sweet potato puree. Slightly. So we need to make sure some of the plate. As far as that. Lamb loin, lamb wrap. Sauce.
make sure all the sauces are hot. Yeah? So what we do is this. Can you carry out the plate? You have to make sure all the plate is clean. So what is this, Ramesh?
These are lamb puree, pumpkin puree, sauteed vegetable, asparagus, carrot, baby carrot, and then polenta. This one is lamb cutlet, and then lamb loin, lamb wrap. That's it.
Alright, again we come back. Now we are in dessert area. With the one master in pastry in Bateaux Dubai. They will make sure to close your dish with the sweetness and the surprise of the dessert. So this guy is Sujit from Sri Lanka. He will tell you what he will to make you guys if you coming to Bateaux Dubai. So one will be caramelized. What will be caramelized? Salty caramelized cake, and the second one will be blackberry panna cotta. So check this out, guys. So this guy will be plating one by one, so you can see how the food in Bateaux Dubai. Cheers. Okay, so the first thing they will be plating of the blackberry panna cotta. So what you put this on?
This one almond cocoa mostly. This one.
Okay, cocoa mostly. So this one I think healthy, it's not too heavy.
Yeah.
So what is content of the almond cocoa mostly?
This almond, fresh almond. Sorry, almond flakes, cocoa
flake.
powder,
Cocoa powder.
and sugar, butter.
So you have to make sure you're wearing gloves so all the plate is clean and then the food is hygienic, you know. Then the second one you will put, what is that?
This is a blackberry puree.
Blackberry puree. What is the blackberry puree? What is the inside there?
This is fresh blackberry.
What is that?
This is raspberry sabaya.
The last one will be ice
This
cream.
is our double chocolate pastel.
Double chocolate ice cream. Can you carry this one? Alright, so this one is the, what we call this one, Vijay?
This is a blackberry panna with double chocolate ice cream.
So this one to make sure the cake will be not going here and there. So this dish is little bit surprised because the sweetness is there and then we can find rock salt is there, so salt will be there. Alright. So this one is the white spot, right? Okay. So it's no salt. So the apple candy.
Final one, caramel ice cream.
Caramelized ice cream. So this is what?
coconut caramel with caramel ice cream.
So, shall everybody to try this dessert or not?
Yes, I would invite to come Bateaux Dubai and try to my dessert.
So, thank you for today. You follow my YouTube channel. Hopefully, we can go into the other part and then share you guys what is the good place in Dubai. But make sure if view this YouTube, view this channel, subscribe and comment in the below. So just give me the request that where we can going to the good place in Dubai. Check this out guys and ciao.